hack it. It's too beautiful to be on the floor. What's up, Askins? It's me, GoldieBlox, and guys, it is March. Women's History Month. So today's video is all about women history inspired hacks. Women, they're engineers, they're designers, they're pilots, they're really awesome moms. The list goes on. Women are the future. I picked 3 awesome female inventors that I'm gonna be doing hacks that are inspired by their inventions. Without these, where would we be? I don't know. Probably in a wet diaper somewhere. So yeah, that's the thing. 3 DIYs inspired by inventors. Women inventors. It's time to hack your world. And for our first inventor, we have Marian Donovan. Okay, so you guys probably don't know her, but you definitely know her very famous invention. It's the first disposable diaper. Yeah, the olden diapers were animal skins like linens, leaves, moss. No, she was just an average Joan, stay-at-home mom that was like, I'm not gonna settle for this madness. So she took a shower curtain and cut it up, used it for a baby, and sold it for $1 million. She saved us all. We take it for granted. And you know what? She's a queen. I was so inspired by Marian that I made diaper slime. Obviously, it's not with a shower curtain, but it's with modern diapers. It's honestly amazing. Just like, look at it. It's so good. You're welcome. Let's hack it.
For this DIY, you'll need diapers, glue, baking soda, eye drops, and food coloring. First, make a normal batch of slime. Next, cut apart your diaper and empty out the crystals. Make sure to empty out all the cotton that got in. Now, you can activate your crystals. Just add water and mix it into your slime. Diaper slime. So random, so awesome.
Moving on. And for our next inventor, we have Barbara Askins. She started as a teacher. She went on to work for NASA and then invented a new method for developing film with radioactive materials. So she helped scientists see clear photos of space, then doctors use it in x-rays, and it's used now to restore old photographs. She was the first woman to win the National Inventor of the Year award. She inspired me to make a camera obscura. Whoa, what is this beautiful thing? Basically, all I did was I took a Pringles can, cut it up, then I put a little pinhole right here, which acts as the lens. Then I have a little sheet of paper that's tracing paper. Can you see it? And it acts as the film. You just cover it, no light shall get in, and you look around. It's an obscura, so it flips it. Everything's upside down. I could do this all day. Camera obscura. Let's hack it.
For this DIY, you'll need a Pringles can, tracing paper, and electrical tape. First, prep your Pringles can by dividing it into 2 and tracing the opening. Next, reattach the can and pierce a hole for the light to enter. head outside and check out what happens next.
And our last inventor is Lyda Newman. She invented the first hairbrush with synthetic bristles. What's even cooler about her is she was one of the original women's activists. She fought for the right for women to vote in the United States. Women won the right to vote in 1920, not even 100 years, wow. Once it's 100 years, we're gonna have a big rager. So I wanted to do like a hairbrush inspired hack. So I found this hack online and it looks really pretty, but it's not practical. A hairbrush phone case! I totally just pranked you. You thought that was a hairbrush. It's a phone case. But it looks really pretty, so that's all that matters. Okay, ready. Let's hack it.
For this DIY, you'll need a paddle brush, a phone case, hot glue gun, spackle, sandpaper, paint, paintbrush, painter's tape, glitter nail polish, clear nail polish, jewels, phone, and a paint plate. First, hot glue your phone case to the back of the paddle brush. Fold the edges around the phone case with hot glue. Add glue to the back corners of the case to make an even surface with the brush. Next, cover the bristles with painter's tape. Apply spackle around the edges and handle base. Smooth the spackle with your finger and a little water. Let it dry for a few hours until it's completely hardened. Then, sand down the spackle so that it's completely smooth. Paint the brush and let it dry. Then, add a layer of glitter nail polish. Add a layer of clear nail polish, then cover it with glitter. Seal with clear nail polish and let it dry.
Okay, and that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this history lesson / hack-a-sode. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos every single week. Also, hit the notification bell if you want to be part of the Goldie Squad and get notified every single time I post. That's it for today's episode. GoldieBlox signing off.